TCST 22RS 2SSF double spindle vertical reciprocating nut tapping machine with double spindles, suitable for tapping hexagon nuts, flange nuts, weld nuts, square nuts, rivet nuts, and so on. Spindle travels 0 to 120 millimeters. Spindle servo motor 4.4 kilowatts with speed 1500 rpm, or 5.5 kilowatts with speed 1500 rpm. Feed servo motor 0.75 kilowatt with speed 3000 rpm. Turntable fixture. Tap range from M12 to M22. Productivity per spindle is 10 to 20 PCS per minute. Advantages: can automatically choose and separate defective parts, with screw tap wearing out or breaking warning with high accuracy. Dimensions: 2,800 mm length, 1,700 mm width, and 1,900 mm height. Weight: 2,250 kilograms.